Hello to everyone. Hello to everyone. This my clothes for Shein is just arrived. It's just arrived, so I'm just showing you what I got for my delivery. This is my delivery. It's my blue dress, and this is the brown one, brown dress. Yeah, it's my things that I ordered. It's a Chinese dress.
Can I see my dress?
It's very nice Chinese dress. Yes, you can see it, Lala. You can
Wow,
see it.
mommy, that's so amazing,
Yeah, so
mom.
I'll put this blue one.
A blue
I'll
one.
put
I
this
like blue.
beautiful blue dress for today's Sunday service. Yeah, this is this dress that I'll put for Sunday service for today. Let's put it, guys. Let's just put this one and then see how it's going to be. Boom.
Is this
Let's
almost
see
there?
how it is, guys. Yeah, let's just checking it. And then, yeah, thank you. Love you.